Hello, everybody. Good morning, happy Monday, and all of that jazz. This is Camille with Hazel Soapery, www.hazelsoapery.com. As you can tell, I have my camera turned, so I won't be able to see your comments right away. But if you have some, please leave them. Any questions or anything, please leave them at the bottom. This morning, I am making our Rejuvenate Heliochrysum face and body oil. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by adding some botanicals. We've got some nice botanicals in there that have already been setting in oils, and then we're going to start adding our oils, and these are mainly to build the body and as carrier oils for the heliochrysum that'll be added later, which is called the eternal flower or flower of youth. So this is going to be really good for light under eyes usage, as well as for your entire face and body. It's got some grapeseed oil, hemp, avocado, sunflower. I'm sorry, not sunflower, safflower, and all kinds of goodies. And so I'm adding the oils, and while I'm doing that, I wanted to kind of talk about our winter skincare. What your routine looks like. There is a way for me to add a poll. I haven't figured it out just yet that I'm going to add, asking whether you like to moisturize your face, especially in the morning or in the evening. I recommend both, and here's why. Especially as the temperatures cool, if you live in an area where the weather is really cold, what you want to do is protect your skin from those elements when you go outside. So you need something that will have an occlusive in it, something that will even have a humectant. Your occlusive is going to help block your skin from losing moisture, protect it from some of the cooler air. So those are going to be kind of your maybe like your heavier creams, maybe a body butter or something like that, depending on your age. Your grandmother may have put Vaseline on your face. We're going to recommend you don't do that. I do carry a salve. The all-purpose salve would be perfect for this as well. But just protecting your skin and making sure it has that barrier and that humectant, even in cold, dry air. So your beeswax, your honeys, your glycerins are going to actually draw the moisture that is in the air to your skin. Okay, so those are great. In the evening, though, when we are resting, our bodies rejuvenate. Hence the name of this one. I recommend that if you purchase this oil, you definitely use it at night. Your cells are rejuvenating. You're also at a place where you can draw moisture, and everything in your body is working to become new, to rejuvenate itself. So that's another time after you get out of shower, right before you go into bed, and you're beginning to rest and allow your body to kind of repair cells and regenerate new cells. You want to make sure that you have your moisture on there as well. So if you do one or the other, which one are you doing now and which one do you prefer? Again, my recommendation is both. Another thing, and what I'm doing now is I'm just going to turn this on and let this sit for a couple hours. If you know me, you know I love my crock pots, and I love to have everything, all the oils and the botanicals and everything married together. I'll let it heat up, then I'm going to allow it to cool some, and then I'll add the essential oils. I don't like to expose the essential oils to the heat. So yeah, that's where we are with this. This is almost done. And again, let me give you a stir so you can see it. So I'm just going to let it cook down some or simmer just to get all of those oils married together. You see it's not too heavy. When talking about carrier oils, sometimes I think people feel as though it's a way to kind of dilute the essential oils, and in essence it is. It's not to make them in any way like less effective or anything. However, usually with your essential oils, they are really potent. So your carrier oils are to make them more skin compatible. so that you don't run the risk of using, like, for example, your oreganos, your basils, your cinnamons are very potent. If they're not used with a carrier oil, they can cause irritation and burns. Which leads me into my next point. If you are going to try anything on your face, be it from me or any other maker, I always also recommend that you do a skin patch test. I usually test right along my jawbone, under my ear. That tends to be one of my sensitive spots. So if something is going to react, that's where it will react. So before you use a product and slather it all over your face, please take some time and do a skin test. So that's about it. Like I said, I just wanted to come on quickly, show you guys what I'm making today. I'm also going to be making some body butter. And here it is. In a couple hours, it'll be ready. I'll let it cool, and then I will add the heliocrysum. I hope you guys enjoy and have a great day. I will see you later. This is Camille with www.hazelsoapery.com.